The AC Infinity SUNCORE A7 heat mat provides a consistently warm surface that noticeably speeds up seed sprouting and early growth for indoor gardeners. Its far-infrared heating film comes up to temperature quickly and spreads gentle warmth evenly across the entire 48-inch by 20 and 3/4-inch pad, so there are no obvious hot or cold spots. The mat is built with a thick, flexible multi-layer polyvinyl chloride shell that feels durable in the hand, resists cracking when rolled, and wipes clean with a quick pass of a cloth. Its waterproof construction, rated to keep out dust and water during normal gardening use, gives extra peace of mind when working around damp trays and spilled nutrient solutions. Independent safety certifications from major testing laboratories back up the electrical design, which is reassuring if you plan to leave the mat running for long germination cycles. The included storage bag and relatively slim profile make it easy to roll up, transport, and store the mat between growing seasons without taking up much space.